How to back up Outlook.com emails and data in multiple formats on macOS. Try SysTools Outlook.com backup software for Mac. Let's discuss key features. Multi-format backup. Save emails, attachments, calendars, contacts, and documents in PST, MBOX, PDF, MSG, EML, VCF, and ICS. Selective and automated. Backup all or selected emails using date filters, even large volumes. Data integrity. Keeps original email formatting and attachments. Supports custom file naming. Cross-platform. Works on Windows and Mac. Backup files compatible with all Outlook versions. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Outlook.com backup software for Mac. Now click on the first link. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of SysTools Outlook.com backup software. First, we need to activate the software. Go to the left panel at the bottom and click Activate. Enter your activation code in the given field. If you don't have one, click Buy Now to purchase the code. Once entered, click Apply to complete the activation. Now the software is activated. You can also view the quota details here. To upgrade your license key, click on the Click Here option below. Finally, close this window to start using the software. In the Source section, Outlook will already be selected. Next, in the Destination section, you can choose the format in which you want to back up your data. The available options are PST, MBOX, and File System. For this demo, we'll select PST, but users can pick any format they prefer. In the workload selection area, options like emails, documents, contacts, and calendar are enabled by default. If you don't want to back up certain items, you can simply uncheck them. On the right side, you'll find the Date Filter option. Enable the checkbox, then set the From Date and to Date to back up data within that range. If you wish to back up everything, just leave the Date filter unchecked. There's also a Delete After Download option on the right. If you enable this, the data that has just been backed up will be removed from your Outlook account. For this example, we'll apply a date filter. Once all the settings are configured, click the Next button to proceed. Enter the Outlook email address of the account you want to back up. Then, click on Sign In with Outlook.com. A new window will appear. Scroll down and click Accept to grant permissions. Once done, you'll see all permissions marked in green on the right side. Finally, click the Next button to proceed. Now, set the destination path for saving the PST file or any other chosen format. Click on the folder icon, select your desired location in the pop-up window, and then click Select Folder. Below that, you'll find the file size option. By default, it's set to 40 GB, but you can adjust it as needed. Once the file reaches the selected size, it will automatically split into multiple PST files. On the right side, click the Validate button. When all permissions turn green, click Next to continue. Click on Fetch Workload Folders button. Then click Continue. The process may take some time depending on your data size, account complexity, and network speed. As you can see, 428 folders have been fetched. Click OK to proceed. In the first column, you'll see the email folders. Enable the top checkbox if you want to select all email folders. The second column shows documents. Make sure this option is enabled to include document folders in the backup. The third column displays contacts. Keep this enabled to back up your contacts. The fourth column contains the calendar data. Be sure this is also enabled. All settings are now configured, so let's begin the backup process. Go to the top right corner and click the Start Backup button. The software will first fetch your license details. Here, you can view your total license quota as well as the remaining quota. If the quota is 0, you'll need to renew your license. Next, click the Start button and then click OK. The backup process has now started. The time it takes will depend on the size of your data. The backup has been completed. In the email section, you can see the results. Here, 157 emails have been migrated, totaling 32.8 megabytes of data. In the Documents section, it shows 0, meaning there were no documents to migrate. Similarly, the Contacts and Calendar sections also show 0, which means no data was available in those categories. Now, let's open the exported folder where the backup has been saved. Open the folder. As you can see, the data has been successfully migrated and converted into a PST file. And that's it. That's how you can backup Outlook.com data in different formats on macOS using SysTools Outlook.com backup software. Let's get back to the software to explore more feature for better migration. On the top right, you'll find the Rerun Backup button. Clicking on it provides several options. The first option is Retry Failed Items, which allows you to restart the backup for any items that couldn't be saved earlier due to errors or network issues. The second option is Rerun Full Backup, which restarts the entire backup process from the beginning. The third option is Delta Backup. This is useful if the backup has already been completed, but new data or emails are added to the account afterward. In that case, only the newly added items will be backed up. The fourth option is Delete Backed Up Items from Source. It will remove the data from your Outlook email account after creating a backup on your computer. You can also view the backup report from within the software. On the right side, click on the Download Report button. The first option is the Migrate Summary Report. Click on it. Choose the folder path where you want to save the report and then click Save. Now open the folder where it has been downloaded. The report is generated in CSV format. Now open it. It shows a basic summary of the backup. If you want a more detailed report, go back to the software. Again, click on the Download Report button. This time select the second option, Detailed Report. Choose the account, then click Download. Once the report is generated, click Download again. Select the export folder and click Save. Open the exported folder. You'll see the report in a zip file. Extracted. And then open the folder. The report will be in CSV format. Open it. Here it is, the detailed report. Let's return to the software to explore some additional features. At the bottom left, you'll find the Help button. Clicking on it provides help details in various categories such as Prerequisites, Setup, Source, Destination, Folder Fetch, Backup, Delete Backup Item from Source, Activate and additional help. At the top, there's also a three-dot menu. Clicking on it opens more options. The first is Help, which is the same as the button we just saw. The second is Contact Support, which allows you to reach out directly to the support team. The third is Create Ticket, which lets you generate a ticket for any queries. The next option is Reload, which simply refreshes the tool. Then there's Revoke Grant Permission. Next is App Overview, where you can get an overview of the application. Finally, the About This option provides additional information about the software. Log on to the product page for more details or to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@theratesys-toolsgroup.com.